Hello traders, this is DFXS and welcome to TFX family, and I believe that all you are doing great. Oh guys, today we are still continuing with our system TFX Spike Master, the system that I promised you to grow your small account or equities from $100. And today I'm going to share a very deep information that you really need to know. You know, guys, it is good to understand or to know the system before purchasing. Don't just purchase system outside there and think to fit what is in your mind, but what suits the market. So guys, today we're gonna share I'm gonna share the deep secret of why you won't blow your account with this system, and how protective you are, and how sure bet it is. All right, and I told you guys, all our system, it will be $2,000, you know that, but because many of you requested because you want us to move together, this is why we dropped all the way to $600. And this is, it will go for a short period of time, then the price will go back into $2,000. Any of our system, it will be $2,000. But this time around, we are giving you with just $600 so that we can move together to another level. Because when I said it will be 2,000, people thought that I was joking. But is it worthy to be 2,000? Because that is a big question to ask yourself. Is this system worthy 2,000? Let me tell you one thing that you must know. It's more worthy than $2,000, because we are not going to stick in 2,000. We are going even more than that. But because we have dropped, because of you guys, take this opportunity before it's too late. I won't say whether it will take 1 week or 2 weeks, but trust me, any day things will change. I'm doing this only to work with a serious trader, because we can't live there 1 month, 2 months waiting for people to purchase the system. No, it will be like a surprise. All right, I'm giving you this opportunity so that you can move together with us into a higher level. So let's talk more about this TFX Spike Master, and is it worth it even more than $2,000? All right, let's start with let us give an example with this Boom 1000. And remember, I told you, you only need to open 2 charts of every index. All right, if it is to Boom 1000, you should open only 2 charts. All right, the one chart, you'll be attaching the TFX high time frame handle, and let me bring it here back. And we said this one, it will be in 1 hour time frame. All right, so after attaching your handle in this 1 hour time frame, the second time frame, it will be minute 5. All right, after attaching in the minute 5, there it's where you are going to attach the EA. So it is simple as that. One for the handle and the next one for the EA. On my side, I'm going to use 3 charts, because you must know what is happening in minute 1. All right, what is happening in minute 1, because we trade spikes in minute 1. And I'm going to use this template in order for you to understand what really is happening. So let's go back here to minute 5 and here in 1 hour time frame. As you can see on my screen, you can see we have the super zone, and this supply and demand zone. And we have our trend maker, which indicates the lower highs. So because now it is dropping, when it was going up, it indicates the lower high, the higher lows. But now because it's sell market, it is indicating the lower highs. All right. When do you get into the market, even when trading manually? Those people, we say that this system, it's more advanced. It is price action, 100% price action, and also the combination of advanced SMC and ICT. So this is why I'm talking about the higher highs and the higher lows. Why is this reliable higher lower high? Because we all know after the change of character at this place, the market was to reverse, then continue with the selling. All right. But people, maybe you are waiting for sale at this point, and there was a lot of consolidation in this market. And some will say there was a lot of liquidities, but you didn't understand or know exactly where to enter the trade. This is where our trend maker comes in and gives you the exactly your entry point. And this is not enough. It must line with the lower time frame. All right. And remember, this is all about trading spikes. All right, this is all about trading spikes in small time frame. And we have advanced our system to analyze 3 charts, guys, 3 charts before entering into the market. And I do believe many have heard about analyzing only 2 charts, big time frame and the signal time frame. All right, but for us, we have already advanced our system. If you want for the volatilities, talk to me. We have the TAFX Master for Volatilities EA that trades the volatilities. All right. So here we are talking about the spikes. All right. So guys, now after analyzing the market in 1 hour time frame, it has already knows that there is a change of character at this point, and now it's a downtrend. So the exact thing, it will be happening in minute 5. So we have our POI where we have our supply and demand zone. Those are our POI areas, but not just the POI, but where we know that the change of character or where the market changes the direction, and they must go the same with big time frame and small time frame. So here in small time frame, it is where we have even our trend line. But we are not going to talk about the trend line today. We'll talk that in another video, because I just want this to be very, very clear before we proceed and talk about the trend line. So here you can see we have our supply at this area, and now we have a higher low, the lower highs on minute 5. Now, the most interesting thing, it is when we jump into minute 1. And this is now where I want you to get the point of why you will never, ever blow your account, and why you'll always be a profitable trader using this system. Number 1, let me advise you, it is good to have like $200. Why am I saying from $200 equity or even above? It is because we want to trade both sides. There is a reason why I'm saying it is good to trade both sides. The reason why I'm saying it is good to trade the both side, let me share this idea with you, whereby I believe those people who have been trading spikes, you know, the kind of behaviors the spikes does. All right. So let me zoom out so that everyone, zoom in, sorry, so that everyone can understand what I'm about to share here. All right, let me share at this point, guys. Let me zoom out somehow so that you can get this point. I just want to guess that we were selling at this place. I just want you to assume, because what I'm about to share with you, it is what you are familiar with. We have seen the market, maybe there was a sale here, and then all of a sudden, or after a few seconds, the market spike, hit your stop loss and continue going up. All right, and you lost, and you didn't, you never even recover the trend. The next thing I will talk about again, that is when you are trading against the spike. All right, there is a time when you're trading against the spike, or when you're trading according to the spike's direction. So suppose there was a sell here, you are trading against the spike, and the market spike to this area. This means you would have lost and never recover. And this is what makes our system very in a big difference with the previous ones. Because suppose there was a stop loss at this area. If there was a stop loss at this area, of course, with this one big spike, the stop loss will be taken to this area. Let me show you here. The spike always move our stop loss to where the spike will end. So this tells you that the stop loss will be at this point. The good thing with this system, then it will close that sell and enter the buy automatically and put the next the other stop loss at this point. Why? Because it has to change with the market and recover your losses. So immediately when this market starts spiking and spiking, you will recover the small loss that you lost at this point. This is what I want you to get into mind, why this system is so profitable and why you'll never blow your account and why you really need this system to grow your small accounts. All right. Now, that's a good interpretation of how the system can work. Let's again move to this area because I have to give you another example. There is sometimes the market can spike only one spike, all right? And it will drop like the way you are seeing it here. Only after one spike, then it will drop. And you lost all this opportunity only because maybe you are only trading the spikes. All right. The reason why you are supposed to trade even against the spike, there is a time in the market, let's say for example, you were in a sell at this point. Then the market hit your stop loss to that point. All right. Let's say for instance, after hitting your stop loss, because it is good to be honest, it opens the buy. But instead of the market continue going up, the market drop. So this means after getting into this area again, it will close the buy again and enter the sell and recover your losses easily. And we have seen this 100 or 1,000 times. There is a time this market can only have a small spike or one spike, like the way you are seeing it here. One spike, all right? One spike, but the market is continue dropping. Then there is no need of losing all these golden opportunity only because you want to trade only about the spikes. Since our system can trade both sides and close the drawdown or close the losing trade and enter the profitable trade, then there is no need of only trading the spikes. So I will advise you, don't stick only trading the spikes. Trade both direction because the system gives you opportunity of recovering every losses. There is no need for them to hit your stop loss, then the EA to wait for another opportunity. Yet it is good to do that, but why? If the system can give you an opportunity of recovering, why wasting all this opportunity or missing all this opportunity while the system can provide for you? I do believe you are getting my point. Now, let's go to this area again. As you can see, the market dropped, but this is our entry point. There is a sell here. There is another sell here. There is another sell here. It won't, and this is a take profit. This is another take profit. We have like almost 5, 4, or 40 staffs to take the profit when the market is going. So after entering here, it will take the profit here and wait for another signal. So you don't have to worry when we close the trades. You don't have to do anything, guys. This is the work, the blue circle you're seeing here, it is for crossing, taking the profit, the other one here, all right? You don't have to do anything. It is the work of the EA to enter the market here and to take the profit here. You can see here, it's against the spike, all right? Enter the trade here and also exit at this point, or maybe at this point whenever there will be that entry. If there was a buy from this area, wherever there will be arrow, whether it is here or here, it will exit from the market. So you don't have even to set a take profit. You don't have to set the take profit. That is the work of the EA. So we'll be sharing more information about how this EA works. All right, guys, but let us proceed because there is a lot and very, very interesting stuffs when it comes to these three TFX Spike Master. It is not just called Spike Master. It is a real Spike Master. All right, guys. So the next thing, what if someone doesn't want the EA to analyze 3 time frames before entering the market? Maybe you want, let's say, for example, 1 hour, because you know, people have so many ideas when it comes to trading. Some are very familiar or they do love only 2 time frame. Let's say, for example, he just wants to be in minute 5 and trade in minute 1 because of maybe you know what you have been doing in SMC or ICT, but you are good at trading in minute 5, analyzing the market in minute 5 as your big time frame, and enter the trades in minute 1. And you want to do the same thing using the combination of price action and also the advanced ICT and SMC. So all you need, let's say, give an example with this crash 1000. So let's say, for example, you want to analyze in minute 5. So all you will do, you'll just pick the handle. This handle suits all time frames. The setting, it's automated. It will change according to the time frame. It won't just, you won't change settings here and there, no. It's already automated to set itself automatically according to the time frame you have chosen. Because now you can see from this area, this is where we have our demand. All right, so we have another demand here and another one here. But you can see it is a buy trade here in minute 5. So now here, let's go, you want to take trades in minute 1. So here it is where you are going to attach the EA. First of all, because you have now to do these changes for yourself, because that is not what, but I have to educate you of how this system is so friendly and adjustable, and this is all you need. So first of all, you are going to pause this algo trading or auto trading, simple as that. Then change the EA, attach the EA in minute 1. Double click here into the EA, all right, in this corner, so that we can set now, instead of spike, let's say, for example, yes, the spikes are for minute 1, and the main time frame you can see here, it is minute 5. All right, I do believe you are getting what I'm saying. So what we are going to change here, it is only the handle, because we have changed our handle from 1 hour to minute 5. So all you are going to do here, you are going to set here minute 5. All right, trend maker handle, you are going to set the trend maker handle of in minute 5. All right, so the next thing you are going to do, you are going now again to change the main time frame into minute 1, because now that is where our EA is. So you are going to set there the minute 1. So this is when you want to work with only 2 time frame. So this means if you are working with 1 hour or 4 hours and 15 minutes, the main time frame here should be minute 15, all right? And the handle here should be for 4 hours, all right? So that it can analyze the market in 4 hours. When they line with 15 minutes, then it will enter into the market, all right? And from there, again, the spikes here now, you will change the spikes again into minute 15. So this tells you when the market analyzes the market trades in 4 hours time frame, then it will enter into 15 minutes. Hope you are getting what I'm trying to say here. But now because we want to work with minute 5 and enter the trade in minute 1, this is why we are changing our handle into minute 5. So the big time frame, it is where you change your handle into. The next thing, the main time frame, it's where you attach your EA. So here it is minute 1 and here it is minute 1. Then from there you click OK. Are you getting the point? So from there, you will save that template. All right. You can save that template. Let me just call it XXX. All right. So this tells you now you can activate your algo trading or auto trading in short. All right. So now the market will analyze the minute 5 where our super zone is or our demand is, and about these higher lows, then it is the same thing it will be doing in minute 1. All right, let me show you something here. So as long as we have it in minute 5, so what it will be doing, as long as here we have a buy trend, here in minute 1 also, it will be looking where our demand is, and it will also picking trades with these higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. This is where our entry is, and it will be exiting from the market according to, let me show you. Let me bring this crash. Where is this? As you can see here, this is our entry point. It will exit here, another entry point here, exit here, entry point here, and it will exit here and here and here. So it is not just plain the way you are seeing it here, but to make the charts lighter, that's why you won't see those 3D spikes detector. You won't see the 4G spike detector or vector or 5G spike detector, because these are the 5G, 3G, blah, blah, blah. And you can see there is an exit here, exit here, exit here, exit here, entry, entry, and now there will be an exit at this point. Why is it being that cool? It is because it analyzed the market. The big time frame here now, it is minute 5, all right? And taking trades where we have attached our EA, you have seen the settings, then that is the work of the EA to trend that way. And you can see here, it is against the spikes. This is crash, spike should be selling. All right, but here now you can see we can be able to take all these opportunities instead of waiting for long to trade the spikes. So this is why I'm advising you. It is good to have from 200 equity and above, and you don't have to change anything except what I'm showing you here and what also I'll be advising you. And if you get confused, it is better to let us set for you in order don't damage with anything, because we don't want any one of you to lose any money. All right. So that is the work of the EA. That is just part of it. We'll continue sharing more. But before that, take the EA, start banking instantly before the price increased. You know, I always give you guys, and it's in a honor for me to drop all the way from $2,000 to $600. It is because some people have complained, and I have heard that, and this is why I humbled myself to make sure we move together. And I'm sharing you why you should not sit there and still waiting for more videos about the EA. Start banking, continue learning. before it's too late, because maybe I won't finish all videos, because we will be sharing about the volatility master EA, because it's already out. It's only that I haven't started releasing the video. But if you want any of the EA you want, just inbox. There is my WhatsApp number there. You can reach me out on my Telegram, so that you can get any of the system of your wish. And all our system, whether for MT4 or MT5, they are analyzing the market. The same thing I'm showing you here, the difference, it's what we are trading. And where, if it is for volatilities, we have given the best setups and settings. So don't just sit there and wait for videos, because time is not on your side. Just trust me, as I said, this is how the system works. And our all our EAs now, they are analyzing the market 3 charts before entering the markets, and they are trading. They are using 100% price action, advanced SMC and ICT, and concept. That's what our EA does. And I do believe you have seen the demo of this one, as I've demonstrated here. And I do believe now you know why you will never lose money in Forex market, because many times things has been happening. After one spike, then the market continued going. Again, is that then you are there, or where you think maybe there is a spike? No, allow our EA to do what you have been struggling to do. Some of you have never understand about the price action, have never understand the SMC concept. They have never ever, you have tried your best, but you have been failing. It is too tiresome. Tiresome, guys, analyzing 3 charts every day, sitting on your PC, analyzing here big time frame, 4 hours, what daily, ABCD, all those stuffs, whether you want for daily ABCD, especially when trading now volatilities and other indexes or currency pairs or gold, US30, my friend, that is the work of the EA. If you wanted to analyze daily and 4 hours, and then you get into the market into 1 hour time frame, our system will do that for you. So save your time, save your energy, and now allow the TFX company to work in your PC, so that, guys, you can always be thankful even to this company. And we thank you guys for working with us and being patient with us for all long. We have been struggling to make it happen, but this time around, it's now happening. Patience always pays the bill. Remember, this is not offer. So don't wait, sit there and think, oh, when will this offer end? This is not offer. It is an opportunity we are giving you to take to get the system with only $600 before we go to $2,000. So I do believe you get the point, and now that it is. So we continue sharing more light about the system. So thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.